In this demonstration, we show XRSpectator, a combination of augmented reality and virtual reality for an immersive home-based stadium experience. Sports fans who cannot be physically present at a game can now engage with a rich presentation of game information via a miniature stadium AR at home, then seamlessly transition into an indirect AR mode where they are surrounded by a 360-degree video recording of the live stadium experience, complete with integrated information and replays. This combination of AR and VR gives users a better understanding of the game while increasing engagement and immersion. Furthermore, as a demonstration of how our system can be utilized for in-stadium localization during games, we incorporate printed perspectives of a stadium to simulate the real-time localization experience, demonstrating the capabilities of XRSpectator in a live setting. Whether at home or on-site, XRSpectator allows spectators to engage and enjoy their favorite sports.